me about some letters that are coming in, a particular letter that just came in. I haven't seen it, but I'm aware that 1 or 2 letters of notification to the police to have a protest has been received by 1 or 2 commissioners of police. Okay, I think that's the question you asked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, I think we have received 1 or 2 of such notifications from 2 different protest groups, and we are handling them. Then the second question from, I don't know who has asked that question. Okay, you want to know what we are going to do in the event of provocation. And I want to answer that question by telling you that in the event of provocation, our men shall exercise utmost restraint. I want to say this, that yes, the police will protect the rights of citizens to peaceful assembly and protest, but those people who are coming out to protest should also note that while exercising their rights should not be allowed to infringe on the rights of others. It is your right to protest, but in exercising that right, let it not infringe on the rights of another. Thank you. Pleased to welcome you to this crucial conference. A key component of this administration is to regularly engage tactical commanders with a view to review the general internal security situation of the country, identify emerging threats, and develop effective countermeasures to mitigate the threats. I address you today with a sense of urgency and patriotic zeal, commending your vital contributions to national security and the ultimate sacrifices you have been making. Despite achievements, persistent security challenges demand our swift and professional attention. This meeting is prompted by the imminent anti-government protest posing a significant threat to national security. Our objective here today is to evaluate, discuss various ways to effectively implement our operational strategies to ensure public safety and security, while acknowledging the rights of citizens to peaceful assembly and protest. Available intelligence at our disposal suggests that the planned protest is a deliberate attempt to destabilize the government and undermine public safety. We must leverage our expertise to develop and execute a robust plan addressing potential risks and challenges. We must be vigilant and be prepared to prevent chaos. Drawing lessons from the 2020 EndSARS protest, our paramount objective is to safeguard public safety, maintain law and order, and protect citizens' rights and well-being. I direct you to take all necessary measures to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order in your respective jurisdiction. We will henceforth prioritize our deployment to guarantee public safety. You will ensure personnel within your command are thoroughly briefed and prepared, maintaining continuous contact with state commands for effective communication and coordination. Prioritize de-escalation techniques, and remember that force should always be a last resort. I emphasize the importance of professionalism, civility, and restraint guided by the principles of fairness and justice. Let us embrace a proactive approach, anticipating potential threats and taking preventive measures. Strict adherence to established protocols, code of conduct, and the rule of law is paramount. Every officer's action have a profound impact reflecting on the entire police force. In concluding this brief address, I want to thank you for your commitment to serving and protecting Nigeria. Your courage, dedication, and professionalism are the bedrock of our police force. Together, let us ensure peace and security in our country. Thank you.